Welcome to the forefront of the crypto revolution. Today, we're diving deep into Blast Airdrop, the game changer in digital rewards and incentives that's reshaping the world of cryptocurrency. Blast Airdrop isn't just another platform. It's your gateway to earning crypto by completing simple tasks and engaging with exciting blockchain projects. Imagine earning valuable tokens effortlessly, contributing to groundbreaking innovations in the crypto space. What sets Blast Airdrop apart? It merges cutting-edge blockchain technology with a user-friendly interface, making earning rewards intuitive and accessible. It's not just about bonuses, it's about democratizing financial opportunities for everyone, regardless of their background in crypto. Ready to embark on your Blast Airdrop journey? Head to their website, create an account, and explore ongoing airdrop campaigns. Connect your preferred wallet, and you're set to start earning. To maximize your rewards, stay updated on new airdrop opportunities, diversify your participation, and engage with the community. Sharing referral links and participating in social media campaigns can boost your earnings significantly. Meet Sarah and John, who turned their engagement with Blast Airdrop into a reliable income stream. Their stories showcase the platform's potential to empower users financially through innovative means. Avoid pitfalls like not reading campaign details thoroughly and failing to secure your private keys. Awareness and diligence are key to a successful Blast Airdrop experience. Looking ahead, airdrops are set to become more targeted, secure, and integral to the decentralized finance landscape. Imagine personalized tokens tailored to your interests, distributed with enhanced transparency and efficiency. In conclusion, Blast Airdrop isn't just transforming how we view airdrops, it's shaping the future of digital incentives. Join us in unlocking the potential of Blast Airdrop and discover a world where crypto rewards meet community empowerment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Blast Airdrop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest in crypto innovations. Until next time, keep exploring, keep earning, and keep innovating with Blast Airdrop.